How to set up and use your RYOBI Wood and Wood Metal door lock installation set. Included in the box is the door lock bracket with auto strike locator, a 2 1/8 inch hole saw, an arbor with pilot bit, a 1-inch wood spade bit, a spade bit guide, a 3/32 drill bit, a double-ended screwdriver bit, and mounting hardware. Step 1. Adjust the bracket and the back set to begin. Rotate the latch bore adjustment counterclockwise to the thickness of the door slab. It will click into place once it is in the correct position, allowing the latch bore adjustment to open the necessary screw holes for mounting. Now, to set your desired back set measurement, refer to the door or deadbolt hardware instructions to find which back set is needed for your hardware. To select the desired back set measurement, press the tabs and rotate the crossbore adjustment until it clicks into place. The back set selection will appear in the measurement window. Step 2. Attaching the bracket. Now that your bracket is adjusted, place the jig onto the hung door slab. For measurement-free positioning, align your auto strike locator with your existing strike plate in your door frame. For the wood metal door lock installation set, A99DLK6, once the auto strike locator settles into your strike plate, you're able to tighten the integrated clamp to ensure a secure hold onto the door. If additional security is desired, use the included pilot bit and strike plate screws to mount the bracket to the door. For the wood door lock installation set, A99DLK7, once the auto strike locator settles into your strike plate on your door frame, secure the jig using the included strike plate screws into the open screw holes on the jig. Step 3. Drilling your crossbore hole. Now that your bracket is secure, it's time to drill your crossbore hole. A tip for installing is to use the RYOBI door stabilizer to stabilize your door when using our RYOBI door lock sets to ensure your door is stable during installation. Position the hole saw inside the crossbore jig template and make sure the drill is at the right angle to the door when drilling. Drill from one side until the pilot hole bit shows on the opposite side of the door. The hole saw will not drill fully through the door. Remove the hole saw and move to the opposite side of the door, aligning the pilot bit with the previously created pilot hole. Carefully drill until the crossbore hole is fully cut. Step 4. Drill the latch bore hole. First, remove your hole saw from your drill. Next, install your spade bit guide onto the spade bit, then into your drill chuck. Align the spade bit guide into your latch bore template. Using the spade bit, drill the latch bore hole until it drills through into the crossbore hole. Step 5. Removing the bracket. To remove the door bracket, simply twist the clamp or unscrew the strike plate screws. To properly install your door latch plate, you can use the RYOBI A99LM3 door installation router set to route out an area for your latch plate to lay flat. Now that you've drilled all the necessary holes, refer to your door or deadbolt hardware instructions for installing your new doorknob or deadbolt. For additional accessories, refer to ryobitools.com or Home Depot or online at homedepot.com. For additional instructions, refer to the operator's manual or online at ryobitools.com. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.